9 miles IELTS.
You
Yes.
remember like last time I told you about the true false, right? Like how
Yes.
it is made and everything. Similarly, matching the heading is always also made, right? Like it is never always always it is a paragraph on the internet somewhere, right? Like a passage, and then there are different
Okay.
paragraphs in it.
Okay.
So what we not we like the content creators, what they do is they pick up that paragraph, they place it there, and supposing like this time, for example, the paragraph is on diseases, okay?
Yeah.
The whole passage is on diseases, and there's a different disease mentioned in different paragraphs. Okay, and
Okay.
then it is written like you have to go find the heading or something. So supposing there is some paragraph about asthma, and it is like written farmers burn hay in their fields which act as an allergen for asthma. Then there is some another line like pollen grains are also known to trigger asthma. Okay, like there are different points on asthma. So
Okay.
like there are two techniques that are used to make the headings. You remember like 3C method that was given for making true false.
Yes.
Similarly, like the instructions given to make the this heading is repeating words and main idea. So whatever that the title of this will be, like of this paragraph will be repeating in the paragraph again and again. Like asthma,
Okay.
asthma, asthma, two or three times asthma will be written.
Okay.
Okay. And second is you have to pick up the main idea. Like what is the main idea of the paragraph? Always in the
Okay.
paragraph there will be two ideas. One is the main idea, one is a subordinate idea. Okay.
Okay.
And what they will do is they will make one heading for main idea and one heading for subordinate idea. So subordinate idea will 90% be the word exactly from the passage, and you will feel like okay, this is the answer because it is directly written in the passage, this word.
Okay.
Okay, like if you see over here, they might one is they're saying the farmers burn hay in their field with which act as an allergen for asthma. Then they are also telling pollen grains are also known to trigger asthma. Okay, so there are 2 points given that are the causes of asthma. You're getting me? Like there are two different causes of asthma given. So
Yeah.
they that becomes the
Okay.
main idea that they are giving the reasons for asthma, right? Like why asthma is
Okay.
happening. So there will be
Yeah.
some heading that is matching the word asthma because asthma is repeating three times. Okay,
Yeah.
and then the main idea is the
Okay.
causes of it.
Causes of asthma. Okay.
Okay, so the trick is first you make a heading from your side. Okay, like
Okay.
you make a heading from your side without looking at the headings, you make it like causes of asthma. Okay, if you feel
Yeah.
like it is like, and then you go and find out in the headings which heading is matching the your heading 90%. So like various causes of asthma is the answer.
Okay.
Got the point? And in the headings, this allergens of asthma will also might be there somewhere. And you will feel like allergen word is also written and asthma is written. So this can also be the heading. But this is not the main idea. The essay is not about allergens for asthma. It is giving, if it is not written this line, like just imagine if pollen grain line was not there. And they're just
Yeah.
mentioning about all the allergens for asthma. Then this is the
Yeah.
heading. Okay, but
Okay.
if more than one reason is given, then there is a main heading. The main idea is causes.
Okay.
Got it? Like if you have two causes of asthma, then causes of asthma is the heading. If there is no other cause than allergens, then allergens of asthma is the heading.
Okay. Like we need to go with the more information, right, sir?
Yes, you need to find out what is the main idea, not the small
Yeah.
idea, but the main idea the
Okay.
paragraph is talking about. Usually in the starting two lines, in the last two lines of the paragraph, you will find that. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, trick always make the heading by yourself and try to match it with the heading given in option. Okay? The heading that you came up with will be a 90% match with the correct writing in the option. And just imagine also like, if I am the person who created the content, even the heading that is given over here that is the correct answer also is made by me only from the paragraph, right?
Yeah.
Just imagine it like this, that someone actually made the heading from the paragraph and then put it as a correct answer. So if you will come up with a heading, there could be a 90% match for most of the paragraphs.
Okay.
Okay, and when the paragraph is big, always look for repeating words.
Okay.
Okay with that, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can try some matching the heading, I believe.
Yes.
Uh, A, B, C, D, B, E, F, G. Okay. Okay, now let us make the heading for A.
Okay.
Okay. So this way we'll be able to find out that whether we are going correct or not. Like you
Okay.
have to make the heading. I'm not making you see the boxes. We'll see the box answers at the last. Okay, just tell me the repeating word. Just try once. I'll correct you how to make the heading otherwise.
Okay.
What is the repeating word here?
I think humble.
Okay. And what is the main
Too many
idea?
major
Just read
rivers.
the full paragraph, find out quickly the main idea, what they are talking
Okay.
about.
It's about all about the rivers.
Okay.
Two major rivers.
And what exactly about the rivers?
It's about any obstacles of travelers or obstacles for the communications.
Okay. See, yes, you are correct. Like there are one is the repeating word humber, right? So one
Yeah.
pickup for me is like repeating word humber. And again, over here, I can see humber. There are 3, 4 times mention of it. So I'll pick up one word that
Yes.
is humber. Okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you see over here, another word is they are telling about the before the arrival of railways, the most
Yeah.
efficient means of
To
this
heavier
moving
bulk,
the heavy
right?
bulk was humber, right? And then
Yeah.
particularly the hull of the Syrian, but the river itself tended to cut them off, and then there's some
Their
problems,
closest
right?
neighbors. Yeah.
So over here,
There's some
Humber is acting
obstructions.
as a helpful, and over here, Humber is acting as
City.
some cutting off
We
the
need to
city
cut
route.
them. Yeah.
So the main idea is something like Humber and
It's just obstacle for something like.
yes, and helpful also, right? Like there are two
Yeah.
things over here. Humber,
Yes.
it could be like acting as a help and
And
also
obstacle.
as obstacle. Okay. So
Yeah.
some quick heading we made it. Now let us go for the eraser. Let us see all of these things. We'll get a bigger one. Okay. We'll use stick and cross. The ferry crossing has always been difficult. No. Okay. Building the bridge. No, it is not about building the bridge. Advantage
Yeah.
design for the bridge. No. Growing popularity
No.
of the bridge. No. Bridge is not their opposition to building a bridge. No. Benefits and
Benefits
disadvantages.
and disadvantages of
This
Humber
could
has
be,
brought. This
right?
could be, yeah.
Propose
Yeah.
alternatives of ferry services. No. How the
No.
bridge was contributed region's growth. No. Rising demand for river transport. No, even I guess no. Like this could be like river transport, but if they are saying like it was there in the 19th century before the arrival.
Century.
So rising,
Yeah.
there is no rising demand they are talking about. They are just talking that before railways, Humber was helping for the
Yes.
transport, right? So I believe this
Yeah.
could also not be, and I'll go with this one.
Benefits and disadvantages to the Humber section is 6. Okay.
Okay, just keep on writing on a piece of paper so that because
Yeah.
when I'll be checking it, it will get erased. Okay. Okay, now let us go for the this one, the second one.
Okay.
What is a repeating word? Try and find out first.
It's about ferries. Ferries are repeating word.
Ferries. Okay, wait, let me make it white. Okay. Yes, okay, there is ferries. I can also see. What more you can find out? I can see there is a lot of stuff
The
about
transport system,
transport
yeah.
system, right?
So threaten its position. Yeah, I think the ferries are helpful for the transportation system,
Yes, they are again saying like increased
increase the traffic and encouraged, yeah, establish rival ferries, ferries between Hull and Elton.
again, can you say increased word and competition? Like
Yeah,
increased traffic encourage increased competition from the rival side. So I can write it like increased
increased
ferry transport system.
ferries transportation system.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now pick up a eraser and let us see what heading could fit the most. Okay, first of all, this one is taken, right? So we're not gonna go this one. Why the ferry crossing has always been difficult? Um, I don't think they are talking about ferry crossing being difficult. It is more about transporting, right? So
Yeah.
I'll just cross it. But
If
like,
I,
if we'll not find anything, we'll come to first. Okay, just remember
yeah.
that because it's about
Okay.
ferry.
Building the,
Building the
yeah.
bridge, no, bridge is not
No.
there. So no advantage.
No,
Growing
if it is unpredictable,
popularity,
if it is great
opposition
popularity
of
of the
a bridge.
education building.
Okay,
Propose
proposed
alternatives to ferry
alternatives.
services. It
But
could be, yeah.
but they're not telling about any alternative. Like alternative to ferry will be something like telling the road transport or giving the option of railways. So that will be the alternatives, right? Like if I
Yeah.
say alternative to private vehicle is the public vehicles, right? So similarly, they are
Yes.
telling about ferry services, but nowhere in the paragraph they suggested and proposed an alternative. I believe this
Okay.
cannot be. First one could be like first one still could be how the bridge has contributed to region's growth. Okay, again there is nothing about the bridge here. Rising demand for river transport. This could be because transport system, river transport, and increased rising. I believe this could be the answer. Anything that you feel other than this could be the answer? Like we're discussing, come on, if it is wrong, it's wrong for both. So we are solving it like a team.
Okay.
So anything like you,
Like it, sir, here is no talk about like rising demand for river transport.
but they are saying right, like
Like river.
increased traffic encouraged more rival ferries. Like
Yeah.
they like
Okay.
every time it is saying like unable to cope with the increased competition from the rival service. Was considerably shorter everywhere. Like it is more like the ferries were established from the rival side and from the other side all like ferries became more and more into that. I feel that this
Okay,
could be this one. But any other
nice.
apart from this one, you feel like we can write it in a like if I could be wrong, we can write it in the bracket.
Yeah, because the why the ferry crossing has always been difficult because here is a no difficulties. So
We can take
no, I
first
think
if you
nine.
want in a consideration, like in.
Yeah, we can. Yeah,
Okay, let
we
us
can
keep
take it.
first in the consideration, and
Otherwise,
after.
we can arrange it. If,
Yes, if we'll
arrange
find more
it.
suitable for the first one, we'll give it to that paragraph. If we'll find more suitable for rising demand for river transport somewhere, then we'll go for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can have two headings
Okay.
for 29 for now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now the 30th is C part. The New Holland ferry service then grew into a major link. There
Of
was
the
briefly ferry service.
going service are the foreign goods. Ferry service.
Now there is new word introduced about
Yeah,
hovercrafts.
hover, hovercraft. Yeah, this is the repeating word here. And ferry services are ended in the Humber in 1981. Something about the hovercrafts.
So we can have it like hovercrafts replaced
Crafts.
ferries or something
Yeah.
like this. Okay, let us find out if there is some heading matching to it.
Okay.
Okay, just start reading it. Why ferry crossing has always been difficult? No, it is not fitting it over here. Building the bridge,
Building the
nothing
bridge
about
is not
bridge. So all the
benefit of
point.
that is also there is no the growth position
Proposed
benefits
alternative. This could be
to ferry
proposed
services.
alternative. Yes,
Yeah, because it can be
it
the
is an alternative to ferry
alternative of ferry
service, right?
services because
And
that
bridges
were ended
also.
in the next years.
So there are three headings relating to ferry. So if 9 and 1 cannot be, it is not about rising demand for, I feel, or you feel that it could go for 9?
No,
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 right? So let us keep
it's
it
the
7.
proposed alternative. It's the seventh.
Yep. See, things become clear and you become confident while making your heading that yes, this could be the one, right?
Yes.
Okay, you have written these three answers because I need to erase them and then,
Okay. Yeah.
done, right?
Yes, it's done.
Because I need to scroll down.
It's D paragraph.
Yep.
It's all about the suspension bridge.
Okay.
I think the construction.
Our children was twofold. Firstly, the
Firstly, the
Humber is
Humber
shifting
is
well.
shifting by the orientation along the craft and travel is always challenging. The suspension with no support piers in midstream would not obstruct the. Yeah, how it's helpful, like.
Would not obstruct the estuary. Okay, it's a kind of board, I guess. This estuary. Then,
Secondly,
secondly, because of the
because the
geology and other
the cost of
coastal.
constructing it would have been excessive.
So I believe yes, it is more about the this construction of suspension bridge and its advantages or something like that, right?
Yeah,
Let us write it like this.
constructions are advantages of suspension bridge.
Yes, construction Advantages of suspension bridge. Although there is no heading with the suspension bridge, but yes, there are a lot of headings with the bridge. I remember there are, I guess, 5 or 6 headings. Everyone saying bridge, bridge, bridge.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now ferry one's gone, right? Like these three
No.
headings with the ferry are gone. Now it's on a bridge. Building the bridge. Yes, this could be the heading. An
Yeah.
advantage of the
Advantage.
design for the bridge. This could also be the heading. Growing
Yeah.
popularity. No.
No.
Opposition to building a
Position
bridge.
to
Till now
building a
there has
bridge.
been no riots or something, right?
No.
So opposition is not there. Nobody is opposing it. Like it should not go like that.
Yeah.
And Humber.
Sixth is already done. Yeah. How the
Um,
bridge has contributed to the region's growth. No, no talk about the any growth like,
okay, so what do you feel?
right?
2 or 3? One is building the bridge. Now this could be like one is a subordinate idea, one is the main idea. And I feel because we had the word advantage, I want to go with third. But second could also be the answer. But
Building the bridge.
but
Because building the bridge is just only in the first line.
yes, it
Like
is not.
the construction of suspension bridge was finally granted. Like after that, they said the reason why a suspension bridge was chosen. So I think advantage is
Okay, let us make it like this. Third, okay. And
okay.
I'm still keeping the second just to check in case we got wrong. Okay, because when we're checking the
Okay.
answers, we'll not have these points in front of us, or we'll keep it, but still, okay.
Yeah.
But if
Okay.
the time arises and I have to write down the final answer, I'll go with the third. Okay,
Okay.
because
Okay.
we came with the advantages. So okay, cool. Okay, now the E1.
Hmm.
Okay, the work on the construction proceeded for 8 years, during which time many thousands of tons of the steel and concrete were used. Upwards of 1,000 workers and staff were employed at the times of peak activity. The designers had been
It's all
responsible.
about building the bridge.
Now
Like
this
how
could go
they
for building the
design it.
bridge, right?
Yeah.
I believe now it can go for building the bridge.
Yeah. Because we don't have any other option, right? It's all
Yes,
about like how
building.
they make the bridge.
Yes,
So
it's all
it's
about the
second is here.
construction.
Yeah.
Okay, let me write second here. Wait.
Okay.
So second is taken, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we have the F part now. Malcolm, Stockwell, and almost all of the options are gone. Still, we'll construct a heading ourselves. No need to hide now. We remember much of it. The bridge master recalls when the bridge was first opened. Okay, the children started visiting. Remember the astonishment.
People who lived in towns all visit banks, mile apart, crossing rivers, the bridge brought them together.
I guess it is straightforward about this one. I'll choose a tick here. This one, the growing popularity of the bridge, because it is something like after a bridge open,
Like,
everyone wants to see it,
yeah, everyone, yeah,
right? Because we
who
remember
lived
now
on
most of the
the miles,
options.
yeah, they are crossing the rivers, a journey, yeah.
We can
We can
save
take
time
this,
here.
the
Yes.
growing
Okay.
popular of the bridge. Yeah, fourth one, 433, it's fourth. Okay, 34th one is G.
Okay. The bridge opened up both socially and economically to previously remote community, enable the area to realize the potential commercial. The bridge saved. Okay, definitely it's all about bridge saved million of vehicles,
Economic growth.
miles of drivers. It saved. It was beneficial, important factor. Can I raise like it is a big paragraph?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, no, it was just one word down. Sensor was setting it for our strips. Okay.
It's
I guess,
it's all about the region growth.
yes, I too feel the eighth one.
Yeah, because they say there like the important factor, not like say many millions of vehicle
Yes,
miles.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
Even I too feel the same. So we are on the same tune, right? On the same page.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
It's test 6. Let me check the answers for this. Okay, there are some tasks written down there also, but you can read it them for ideas. Do not read them for the main thing, okay? When I'll share this
Yeah.
document. Okay, it was test 6, I suppose. Test 7. This one, right? 28th.
Yes. Six is correct and ninth is correct. Then seventh, then third, then second, then fourth, then eighth. All are good.
Yes, I told you like
Yeah.
99% we can get correct with this one because
Yeah.
definitely,
It's
like,
a good technique. Yeah.
you got it right.